channel. So it's 3:30 a.m. in the morning and we are getting ready to go out for pandal chasing this year because I cannot say it's pandal hopping but definitely pandal chasing because this year we cannot go mad at those pandals which is very famous in the city. So we decided to go out in the midnight so that we get a lot of space in the pandals which we have decided to go for chasing. And I am just getting ready and I'm too sleepy, but still the excitement makes it worth it. So just up and about to go out, and I'm going to show you guys what I do today because this vlog is very very special and close to my heart because it's about the my favorite festival of the year, personally my favorite. And also I think the people who are living in Kolkata, be it Bengali or a non-Bengali or the Bengalis across the world, it's very special. It's a very special time of the year. So I am going to show you all what I did in this puja because this year's puja is a very different one and a very very very, you know, we have to take precautions for that. So looking forward, and I want you guys to look forward to this vlog. So keep watching and I just want you to watch the vlog. So we completed our first pandal, which is Shinghi Park, and somebody is here. Hello. It is really amazing. That's really good. And we have reached the Shupio Park. It is damn empty, as you can see. It's damn empty. I've never seen the Shupio Park this empty in the last 4-5 years. It's been a huge crowd, but this year as these things are very very different, so yeah, it feels really good. We are done with another pandal, Tridhara Sammilani, but we are unable to see this just because of the High Court's verdict. They have placed the idol in the middle, so we can't see that. Looking forward to what we can see. Our morning savior is here. T Junction, guys, thank you so much. So this is our savior. Oh my god. This is HB Block. They have made a super cute Durga Pratima, and it's really very very peaceful to see. People are not going out, though I am out because of some reasons. Still, we have taken measures. We have attempted to see all the idols by drive-in darshan. We're in FD Block. Oh, what a pandal, man. And we're getting in. Oh wow. Oi. Nothing to be not taking a video. Shut up. Oh my god, look at this. भूल गई मैं. Oh wow. हाँ. And here we reach the pandal. We're entering BJ Block, which is pretty cool, pretty nice. They've done a really good job. Destination for today, CA block. And so we ended Panchami night and Shashti morning on a very good note. Washing Ma is something which is very divine in its own self. So looking forward to Shashti. So it's Saptami and this year we planned Saptami in a different way. Like, just not like other years we used to do. So this year we decided to see the surrounded pandals around our houses more than the far away pandals. So looking forward to each of the pandals. So here finally we can get some of the glimpse of the Saptami pandal hopping, evening pandal hopping. The previous two was not possible to vlog. So here it's a very simple one, though it's beautiful. So good. Good morning. So it's day 8. Which is Ashtami, and I'm sitting inside the car today because this year Ashtami is a really bit different one. It's been a really difficult way of accepting that Ashtami can be this as well. So I'm not at all dressed up. Today. Now I'm going back home. Was here for something and was in the market for something. Now going back home and then I'll get ready, freshen up, and then it will be in the home or some of my friend's house where I'm gonna be dressed up and going, because this year Ashtami is really different, really different. So I'm really in a casual mode. I'm not at all in a festive attire at all. So yeah. This is Ashtami's special breakfast straight from Mom's kitchen. I'm gonna give a picture of this after this clipping. So yeah, this tasty thing, yeah. Our Ashtami Bhog is here, but this year with some precautions on. Every year it comes on a mud hari, যেটা মাটির হাড়ি বলে, but this year with all precautions it's here. Doesn't it look tasty? I know it is. So today in the Ashtami evening I am unable to go, not unable, really didn't wanted to go anywhere or any other pandal because I want to stay in my locality, because as I saw in the news and I am getting to see in my locality market as well, that people are coming out and going to the pandal like the normal day. In the normal days they used to do normal pandal hopping. So I'm really scared about that because I just can't afford to be in the public gathering right now. So the Ashtami ends like this, and looking forward to Navami, and I hope Navami be safe like that. And guys, please stay safe. Don't cross the limits on the basis so that you can get happiness for just one day. Just think that it may not cost you for a year as well. So yeah, looking forward to Navami. Good morning everyone, this is Navami morning, and this morning we have planned to stay home and enjoy with the fam band. So looking forward to the day and just wanted to see what happens in the day, because in Navami previous years we used to have plans to go out to lunch or with friends or fam, but this year it's not possible. This year it's just not safe to go out and have lunch or something. So today we have planned to stay home and enjoy with the fam, watching movies, series and everything. So yeah, looking forward. Super cool. I'm really looking forward to unboxing all of these things because I'm surprised. So if you guys stay, my personal suggestion for everybody staying in Kolkata and Salt Lake, please have some home delivery from this thing, Biryani by Kilo, because they deliver some amazing stuff along with the main food. So guys, please watch it, and I'm really looking forward to unboxing it. It looks super cool. Guys, as soon as I'm unboxing, I'm getting surprised a lot. So these guys have sent this handi and these candles to make it warm before serving, so that we cannot face problem in serving, or anybody should not have any complaint for this. I am so impressed and so surprised. Guys, please look into this because I'm taking it. Oh man, great. Instructions was to warm the handi for 10 minutes or 8 to 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes it's ready with seekh kebab and the special Hyderabadi biryani, and I am gonna love it, I am sure. About today, Navami day. But as you guys saw, because I was home from the morning itself, that was all about today. We were in home taking pictures, making really good memories together, because this year puja is really different for everyone, not only for me or not only for any one of us, it's for everyone. So this Navami we decided to stay home. I went to my neighbors. They are a very good friends, or very good, we share a very good relationship. So we went there, we enjoyed a lot, we have chit chatted a lot, saw a movie, and that's all for the day. So here's ending Navami, and yeah, waiting for Dashmi and the last day of puja. So I think that's gonna be good and safe. So it's 3:30 a.m. in the morning and we are out for the last pandal chasing of this year, as in drive-in darshan. So we are out, and let's see where we go, and I'll be keep updating where I'm going right now, or which are the places that I'm going to be. So I have never seen Kalindi like this. I have never seen, trust me. It's been so wide. Still there is some hustling around, because from the last 2-3 days people are going crazy about pandal hopping, just like the normal days. So yeah, there are few people not really happy to see that people are out, but yeah, truth hurts the most. So we are in Shri Bhumi to pick up my friend and her mother and sister, so that we all can go together for this pandal chasing. I won't say pandal hopping, but pandal chasing this year, as we are focused in drive-in darshan. So pandal chasing. So we are in Shri Bhumi, but I have to say Shri Bhumi got no chill. The people are still awake here, coming to see the pandal like anything. So Shri Bhumi got no chill. Yeah. And the most awaited pandal that we wish to visit, Badam Tola, Ashar Shango. Absolutely bliss. Has to be. Amazing, man. We are off to another pandal. We finished the first one of this morning, and we are off to the next one. So, looking forward to that. We are in Chitla Ogroni. This is the pandal, and and the idol is not really seen, but I'll share the pictures out there after this clip. It's amazing. Jodhpur Park Pandal, but it is closed wholly. Don't know the reason. They are not allowing anyone to enter or to see. Just don't know the reason. We came all along with few of the shortcuts as well, but still they are not allowing anyone to see. After our Jodhpur Park, after we went to Jodhpur Park, we came to Dhakuria Lake, where people jog like regularly. It's a very famous place. So after Jodhpur Park, we came here to spend some time to relax, to calm ourselves down. So yeah, this is the last destinations for today, and yeah, going back to home. This was all about this puja, the puja of 2020, the most, according to many of us, the most cursed year. But I hope this puja has brought happiness, joy and peace to everybody, and I hope it brings peace to all over the world. So if you guys like this, if you guys like my video, so please like, share, subscribe, and please give your views in the comment box and spread love. That is all everybody wants. I forgot, before ending this video, no, I shouldn't say what I have stored for you guys. First you guys see, then I'm telling what's the surprise. So I hope you guys have seen the pictures of a sweetest, cutest little Durga, my apple pie. She is the sweetest and the most mature Durga I've ever seen. So I thought, why not show you guys? Because she was looking beautiful. She was looking absolutely the cutest. So guys, if you like my video, again, please like, share and give your views on comment, and definitely subscribe. Thank you so much. Spread love.